Welcome back to BA Adventures. So we are where?
In Gulfport at the Ship Island Excursions. We're gonna go see dolphins.
Yep, we're gonna see some dolphins here. We are staying in Biloxi. If you guys have been following us on TikTok or some YouTube shorts, you've seen some of that in our little trip down here. So we are staying in Biloxi, and we are going on, like she said, to go see some dolphins on a boat. And I believe if I turn around here, that boat right there is what we'll be getting on. Maybe the one that's sitting behind it. Not sure yet. We haven't checked in. We're getting ready to though, so this should be good. So we're not gonna do much talking on the boat because I have a feeling they're gonna be talking to us, and that way it won't take away from our experience, but we will show you some of the sights that we get to see on there. So, and then we'll talk to you after we get off the boat. So we'll see you then.
Welcome back.
Hey, so we made it back from our dolphin excursion. There wasn't a lot of dolphins.
No, but we did catch like a little bit of a storm, so I don't know if that throws it off or not. But
yeah, we weren't sure if that threw it off or not, but I do know, let me take these off. I do know that the guy, our tour guide, he kept talking and he was like, hey, there's fish in this area, so there's a good chance of dolphins. And we got to see a few at the very end of our little trip, which was really neat. It was our first time being out in the ocean on a boat for both of us. and I'd do it again.
Yeah,
You know,
it was
do it
actually
again.
kind of relaxing, honestly. And it's really pretty because the water is kind of like black, and you have the contrast of the blue sky, so it was really pretty and just kind of a relaxing like kickback cruise.
Yeah, and the water here is black because we're so close to the Mississippi River, and all that dirt and everything from up north comes down and it moves down here, so that's why.
Yeah,
it's different here. So,
but yeah, like everybody was really nice. The crew like would help you when the dolphins came out. They kind of showed you where they were coming out at, so that was kind of fun.
Yeah, definitely recommend if you're ever in the Biloxi Gulfport area to check out Ship Island Excursions.
Yes.
They're the ones that put it on. They even have a little concession stand sort of thing down in the center.
Water.
They've got water, soda, snacks, popcorn, beer, chips.
No, I brought my own water in, so they didn't get mad about that. So that was nice too.
So that is a good thing that you can take your own drinks onto the to the boat itself.
Not like cooler, but like just have a drink in your hand and walk in.
Yeah, just have a drink in your hand. I'm pretty sure they would say something about you can't take your cooler with you, sir, or ma'am, or something like that. Yeah. So.
But yeah, they also have like the Ship Island. They go out there, hence Ship Island Excursions. But right now they're closed down. The National Park Service has closed it to do some renovations, so we kind of missed out on that. But
it's okay.
They're supposed to be open later this year, September to November.
Yeah, they said it was going to open up about between September and November time is when they planned on it getting done. The ferry was going to open back up anyway, is what they said. And I think they are the same company that does some of the ferrying over there.
Yeah, they are.
So, they are?
Yes.
Okay, so yeah.
Because we were going to go to the Ship Island, but they're closed. So.
That's right. He said, like, come join us whenever that opens back up. So, duh. So, anyway. But, hey, we are going to head to dinner. And I don't think we're going to vlog it. I think we're going to have some us time while we're there. So, anyway, guys, thank you for coming with us, seeing the dolphins, and coming on the excursion with us. And
bring on to the next adventure.
Bye, guys.